Listen to those wonderful little water sounds from Big Hill Springs, Alberta. Let the energy of the water wash over you and through you. This one is so cute. All the really cool ice formations. Nice little tranquil creek. So allow yourself to watch the water. Imagine the water going over your body. And as it does so, it pulsates through your system, cleansing and clearing, going through your head, through your face, through your neck, your shoulders, your back, your arms, your hands, your chest, your stomach, your ribs, your pelvis, your hips, your legs, your knees, your thighs, your calves, your ankles, and your feet. That little pitter-patter sound that you're hearing, allow it to keep going through, pulsating through your whole body. As it does so, it energizes, rejuvenates, taking all that grime, all that muck from your system, melting it out of your body. The waterfall is washing over you and through you, cleansing and clearing. Wishing you a wonderful day from Tina Jackson of Mystical Empowerment. Love you muchly.